Hello everybody! How are you? How are you? Today, I'm good because we're going to read a story. And the name of the story is The Colored Monster. Would you like to listen to the story? Yes? Okay, let's listen. The Colored Monster. This is my friend. His name is the Colored Monster. Say hello. Hello, Colored Monster. Hello, Colored Monster. But today, he's all mixed up and he's very confused. He doesn't know how he feels. Look. He's yellow, black, red, green, pink, all the different colors. He's very confused. Am I happy? Am I sad? Am I angry? Am I scared? Am I calm? He doesn't know. So, me and you, we're gonna help him, okay? To see how he is feeling today. So, all his feelings are mixed up, but we need to put them into different colors to help him. So, we have our jars, and we're going to put all the colors into the different jars to help us know how do you feel? How do you feel? Wow, look, it's yellow. This is happy. It's like the sun. Hello, sun. The sun is yellow and it shines like the stars up in the sky. The stars are yellow. The yellow makes you feel happy. And it makes you laugh. Blue. Blue is sad. It's like the rain. Rain, rain, rain. The rain, it's what color? It's blue. Sadness, it can make you cry. I am sad. I am sad. Oh, red. Red is angry. I am angry. I am angry. Angry can make you roar. Ah! It's not fair. It's not fair. Black. And the black is I'm scared. It's fair. But don't worry. It's okay. It's okay to be scared. Green. The green is it's calm. I feel calm. Now, everybody, close your eyes. Close your eyes. And now breathe. Close your eyes. Do you feel calm? I feel calm. Now we have all our colors in the bottles. We have the blue, red, black, green and yellow inside the bottles. Yellow for happy, blue for sad, red for angry, black for scared, and green for calm. What? But what's this? It's the color pink. Monster, how do you feel? How do you feel with the color pink? I think it's the love. Yes? The I love you. And that's all the love hearts. And he's feeling very happy and very loved by all his friends. Okay, boys and girls, thank you. Look, now we have all monsters' feelings all together. Thank you. Oh, that was a nice story. Okay, so we have, what color is this? It's yellow. Oh, and yellow is happy. We have blue, because blue is sad. We have red, angry. What color? It's green. For calm, we have, oh, it's black. Black for, I'm scared, I'm scared. And we have pink for love. Okay, now, Nicola, I have my jar. This is my jar. And I'm going to open and I'm going to put my feelings inside. So today, Nicola, I feel happy. So happy, I'm going to put yellow. I feel, I'm going to put the green for calm. I feel calm. And I feel loved. So what color for love is pink. So I'm going to put the pink in. And then I'm going to close. And now shake, shake, shake. And I have all my feelings in my jar. The pink, yellow and green for love, calm and happy. So you, how do you feel? How do you feel? Okay, boys and girls, well today the story is finished. Thank you everybody. I hope that everybody is good. See you soon.